6 power of a plus 3 is equal to 72. Find the value of a. So at first we can apply this exponential rule that x power of m plus n is equal to x power m times x power n. So it will be 6 power a times 6 power 3 is equal to 72. In the next step, we have 6 power a times 6 power 3 is same as 216 is equal to 72. Now we divided by 216 in both sides. So divided by 216 divided by 216. So we see in this 216 will be cancelled. Now we apply log in both sides. So log of 6 power a is equal to log of 72 over 216. Now here this power a will move to the base, so it will be a log 6 is equal to log of 72 over 216, and so we apply this formula. Log of x by y is equal to log x minus log y. So it will be log 72 minus log 216. Now we divided by log 6 in both sides because we need the value of a. So divided by log 6 divided by log 6. So this log 6 will be cancelled. Here a will be equal to log of 70 here this part of log 6 minus this part of log 6. So log 72 can be written as log of 6 times 12 of log 6. Then here subtract log 216 can be written as 3 log 6 of log 6. Now we see in this log 6 will be cancelled. Here a will be equal to log of 6 times 12 is same as log 6 plus log 12 of log 6. Then here subtract 3. In the next step, a is equal to log 6 of log 6, then here plus log 12 can be written as log 6 plus log 2 of this log 6. Here subtract 3. In the next step, a will be equal to this log 6 will be cancelled. Here 1. So 1 plus log 6 of log 6, then here plus log 2 of log 6. Here subtract 3. Now this log 6 will be cancelled. Here 1. Now a will be equal to here on plus 1, that means it will be 2, then plus log 2 of log 6 is same as log 2 base 6, then here subtract 3. Now a will be equal to plus log 2 by 6, that means log 2 by 6, then 2 minus 3, that means it will be minus 1. So this is the value of a. So this is our final answer. Now let's check the equation. To check our equation, 6 power of a plus 3 is equal to 72. Now we have 6 power of a plus 3. So a, that means the value of a, which is this, log 2 by 6 minus 1, then here plus 3. Is it equal to 72? Now we have 6 power of log 2 by 6, then minus 1 plus 3 is same as plus 2. Is it equal to 72? Now here we apply this exponential rule, that a power of m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. So it will be 6 power log 2 by 6 times 6 power 2. Is it equal to 72? Now here we apply this formula, a to the power log b base a is equal to b. So 6 to the power log 2 by 6 is same as 2 times 6 power 2 is same as 36 is equal to 72. Now 2 multiplied by 36 is same as 72. So of course 72 is equal to 72.